MrBeast, iShowSpeed, Trahan, FaZe Rug. These creators pull in millions of views every single month. But have you ever asked yourself, why? It's not just because they're good at making videos. It's not just the edits or the thumbnails. It's because they've built something most creators ignore, a real audience. Speed can hit go live at any moment, and 100,000 people show up instantly. MrBeast can post once a month and still dominate the algorithm. That's not luck, that's leverage, and it all starts with audience. Because here's the truth. Producers need consumers, and consumers exist because of producers. If you want to grow on YouTube, you don't just need content, you need people who actually care about it. Most creators think the algorithm is what's holding them back, but the algorithm doesn't create loyalty. People do. Look at MrBeast. He doesn't just get views because of the YouTube system. He gets them because people trust that whatever he uploads is going to be good. Same thing with Speed. He could stream himself eating noodles, and tens of thousands of people would still show up. That's not just views, that's audience power. When you build an audience that actually waits for your next upload, you're no longer depending on luck or the algorithm. You've built leverage. Without an audience, your channel has no identity. You'll always be chasing trends, trying to fit in, instead of creating content that stands out. FaZe Rug didn't go viral because he copied what everyone else was doing. He built his own world, where people show up because of him. Same with Trahan. His Penny series wasn't just creative, it was personal. People didn't just care about the challenge, they cared about him. That's what an audience does. It gives your content meaning beyond the topic. Sometimes your content might actually be good, but it's reaching the wrong people. And when that happens, they won't click. They won't watch long. They won't care. And YouTube takes that as a sign that your content isn't worth pushing. That's why defining who your content is for is just as important as the content itself. Because when the right people see it, everything changes. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, don't just focus on titles and thumbnails. Don't just copy viral formats. Build a relationship with your audience. Let them know who you are, what you stand for, and why your content matters. Because when you have an audience that rocks with you, it doesn't matter what you upload. They'll show up, they'll watch, and they'll grow your channel with you. So stop chasing random clicks. Start building real connections.